Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Izingane Zesthembu. Can I tell you ukuthi we're still on the jack? Yes, we're still on the jack. Now, Utirelo and Usbindi did not have a nice conclusion, and which led to now everybody starting to leave from the table. As people were leaving on the table, Abo started making jokes about the whole thing, right? To say, hi, wapumo one, wapumo wesbil, wapumo start. But in actual fact, I felt Uguti Usbindi was not supposed to leave Amahle on that table alone. Yes, Uyalwa no, but he should have held Amahle's hand. Then Utirelo asked Uguti, how did the conversation get to that? Of which Abongo explained Uguti, no, the conversation got to that because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here's my thing. Utirelo I think now, I don't know, I might be wrong. And Tirelo's cheerleaders, please don't chow my head or lead dilele nane. Fine. Nah, where I'm seated, I think Tirelo enjoys taba ya gore Mseleku puts him as a conversation or as a topic, or puts her on the table as a topic, as a conversation, and that makes her feel somehow important, and more especially now that Amahle knows gore Tirelo is so important that Ubaba Zala talks about her on the table with the other siblings. But I also think Uti, she did a huge mistake understanding her man and saying, hi Musiminana, is right? Understanding your man, you know Uguti Usbindi ufuna ukuhlonishwa ibhubezi lifuna ukuthi ibe nesithembu lesi ukuthi makathe 1 kungabi nomuntu othi 17 18 19 20, but you are saying those 17 18 19 20 in the presence of the new woman, meaning Uguti, if you can disrespect her, if you can disrespect him rather like that, then she can also do the same. Now you are removing the precedent that your man wants to do, and you are in this relationship knowing Uguti ugailo ufuna isithembu, right? Sharp. Then they went to sleep. Kwaba good night, but before Amahle left the table, she thanked Abo Lokunja for accommodating her for this whole thing in Joguti, as in ningamgele and ngoba nakho sengisele nani etafuleni. So now my thing is Usibindi left Amahle in a corner where Amahle did not know Uguti, what is it that I must do right now. I also did not think Ugutu Abongwe thought this through when she said abantu aze ngabo sebayahamba. No, Amahle akazanga ngoTirelo, Amahle uze ngosibindi. uTirelo accommodates Amahle because of a relationship yakhe noSibindi, and I want ukuthi bangayiconfuse leyo. Sharp. They went to a massage thingy, Utirelo no Amahle, which reminded me of Tirelo and Uvuyokazi going to the massage thingy. Remember, they also went to the massage thingy together, and I think at that time Utirelo was pregnant. But nonetheless, they went there. I did not appreciate Utirelo acting like Umamkhulu light. At this point, le mujolong etswang thotse ngwanyanaka. Utirelo was now, I guess we could mother, best friend, or what, because I believe where I'm seated, she overstepped. Ugo was now advising Amahle, hey, Sibindi this, hey, don't trust him, hey, angakujikela, ungenaphi because of when and now bomthemba until you kicked Utirelo out, or until, I mean, not Vuyokazi out, until Vuyokazi was out for whatever reason, and you and Sibindi knew that you were making a Popeye out of her by speaking about the virgin type of thing, where umntanabantu wangala wangaliswa yichichu ukuthi lizoshada when you knew. So you cannot act like a girl's girl, and I hope ukuthi Amahle sees right through it. And I love that Amahle does not say many words. Like, she's just not a woman of many words. She'll just respond there and there. And I pray Uguti she's responding with wisdom, because there will come a time where she needs to express herself, where she needs to speak, where she needs to defend herself. And when that time comes, I hope she's gathered a lot of ammunition. One Dubulek. Now, Uabongwe went an extra mile. Uaboy right now, she deserves a cup for that episode because that episode was hers, like kahle kahle. Girl decided to bring siblings into a shooting range so that eventually Usne and Usbindi can squash whatever beef that they are coming with, right? The beef that comes from Indaba Yejek. Njengoba ngithi the whole show or the whole episode again was about Ijek. Now, they did not squash that beef, but they did play some shooting thingies, and in that shooting range, it went well. The ladies fairly won, which Abonge made a comment ukuthi manje makuduma nje labathi kunempi kuyosukuma thina amantombazana ngoba awu abafana nje bahlukile dismally, which I felt ukuthi uGirl made an effort which created an environment for communication to start flowing, but they did not use that opportunity. So fine. While those two were using that opportunity, they linked together and they had a beautiful swimming thing. Ne? But the first red flag, first mistake, Tirelo was now Umedem Sbanibani tumoring the siblings around. And Lokunja was worried about that a bit. Usne to say, hey, umakoti nangisekathuma thina manje sesisebenza yena uzokhona. So meaning ukuthi vele maybe this is now me in speculating now, this is me thinking maybe vele umjwayezile uSibindi uyamnesa babawu-2. It's just that phakathi kwabantu mhlawumbe une certain expectation of they've got an agreement ukuthi there are things that I will do for you in private because you are my woman, but when we get into a space where there are other people, I expect you to serve me. I don't know, but uGirl bekahleli nje expecting to be served. Uabongwe then wabhoboza ke indaba yethu aphunya Skaku. While aphunya Skaku, they discussed the whole thing yamajeke and asked ukuthi wena Tirelo, why did you say it? Utirelo girl came back to her senses and remembered gore nna sentle ke Motswana. And gore ke te tlhalose go utlwagale go siame gore tsamaye sentle go utlwagale gore ke riang ke bolela ka Setswana. Meaning Utirelo came back to her senses and remembered that she's a Tswana girl and she's not going to explain herself in Zulu. She's going to explain herself in her mother tongue, which she believes she'll be well articulated and they will hear her point. But I felt a low undertone of disrespect because she said something around like she said something that did not sit well with Abong. I cannot say it, rephrase it in Zulu, but you all heard it, right? And in that, Abongo was like, "What are you saying, Kahle?" And she said, "Everyone, but not except you." So she was saying everyone but except you. Or what was she saying? I think Uguti already uzonyathela amakona unnecessarily here. Because remember, she needs the siblings. She might think she doesn't, but she needs the siblings with a potential husband. Efana noMpumelelo. Mpumelelo akathembisi. She was advising uGerlings ngalokho. Hayi waba uGerl manje sekaphumile lapho sekathe angeni in uAmahle acruiser nicely. Remember, the conflict was always between uSibindi noVuyokazi. Sengathi uVuyokazi ispikira sithathe kahle. Now the tables have turned and I pray with the advice that Utirelo was giving uMahle will not take it to heart aqale aphefumule indoda yakhe. I pray ukuthi ayenze the very same thing uMahle le Utirelo ayenzile. Thanda indoda yakhe the way afuna ukuyithanda ngakhona, abe nalama happy moments la na umtirara athe ube nawo nomuntu wakhe, and let life be. And the rest of the things she will see when she is also in the season kaTirelo, and we will also be coming and saying wege manch, like we are saying now with umtirara, right? So with that said, guys, I don't think ukuthi the trip is gonna be a lovely one, enjoyable one for Utirelo, based on the fact that they do not want to let this jerk thing go, and Utirelo also wants to address it and make Usbindi apologize, of which by now she should know her man. Usbindi will not apologize. Also, she will not be made to apologize in front of her siblings because to him that's a sign of disrespect by Ugelings. So I don't know, Uguti, Nina, what did you pick up from the episode? What did you think? And do you think Uguti Utirelo at this point is acting like Umamkulu? which will make it difficult for Amahle to step up to her role as Umamkulu, since we know, as seen on TV, that she was the one that was Lobola at first. I don't know. But while you are responding, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.